In this video, I want to show you a way in which you can explore the GroupShare 2017 REST APIs. This way doesn't require any tools to be installed. So, in order to do it, you need to access your documentation page, which is available together with your GroupShare instance. The documentation page should look something similar with the one you see on screen right now. This has two areas: the introduction area, which is giving you a bunch of information around how the APIs are working, and the list of the REST API reference methods that are available with the API. Now, each method you see in here requires an authentication, needs to know to whom is speaking with. So for that, we need to provide the user. Typically, the user is provided by using username and password, but all the API's methods require a token. And this token must be obtained in order to make any calls to this API reference method. So how should we obtain the token? We need to use the sign-in method available under the login. And we need to provide the username and password. But if I'm looking at the parameters of this method, I don't see any available or any parameters for username and password anyway. I only have the one for the scope. So in order to provide the username and password, I need to scroll up top right hand side, and you see here I have the username field, which is where I'm going to add my user, and then the password, which I already have in my memory. Introduced that, and then I'm scrolling back down to my signing action, and I'm going to copy all the scopes that are available. This is just a test. I'm not really interested into this detail at the moment, so I'm going to hit try it out. Now, you see this was a successful call. If it wasn't successful, then here would be a different response code, and I wouldn't have this information. This is the actual token, which is returned by the sign-in. I'm going to copy the token and scroll up into the token field and copy the token on that same location. Okay. Now that I have the token, I'm in a position where I can make calls to other actions. So let's see if I can get the list of organizations that are available. I'm going to the organizations v2 and get method. I don't need any parameters to fill in, so I'm just going to click try it out. And if I scroll down, you see these are the two organizations that I have into my GroupShare instance. This works with pretty much all the methods that are and API reference methods that are available, but there are though a few exceptions where this will not work, and that's where you will have to use other tools to make them work. Thank you very much.